Ladies and gentlemen, can I bring your attention to almost the end of our conference? Fortunately and unfortunately, it's been an amazing couple of days. A few notes right now from workshop leaders to summarize the work that has been happening in or within their spaces. Shall I invite Daniela to say a few words what was happening in the cybersecurity workshop and what kind of conclusions we can make?
Okay, so the workshop was quite small, but we discussed and covered quite a lot of topics. So one was about training. It would be good to have open source training available, like on GitHub or somewhere else. And it should be in English and different languages so everyone can participate and learn from it. And another topic was pen testing. You have automated tools, but it would be good to have like more possibilities to pen test servers, web servers, etc. I think that was quite the
Two main things.
Yep, two main things.
So two main things, pen testing and training. On the subject of training, if there are any interested parties, Géant is running an open registration cybersecurity framework called Transits on regular basis. These are events open to various organizations and predominantly targeting CCERT teams or CCERT members. So if you're interested, just reach out to Géant or to myself. We'll be able to help. Now I'll pass on to Maria Riskok, who will give a report from the cloud.
I counted together 19 people actually at our workshop, except instructors and me. The conclusions. Commercial online services through Géant are safe to use. Don't buy them from the street. You need experienced IT staff to run virtual machines. What's next for clouds? Machine learning, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, container-based virtualization, but actually we don't know what follows. Questions to take away from the session. Are you ready to migrate your workloads to the clouds and make changes in your institution? The dilemma. Is on-premise or cloud worth taking the risk? Statement. Online services are the future. The future is here. It's not if, but what, how, and where. Talk to us. We can move mountains together, these IT mountains. Take it as commercial clouds like Google, Microsoft, Amazon. You can't do it alone, but together we are strong. Thanks.
A wonderful, I think a great summary, stronger together. And now I'll pass on to Anatoly for a few words from the NREN services space. I imagined it would be in Romanian, so if you're interested in translation, please grab a little gizmo.
Încă o dată țin să mulțumesc la toată asistența pentru participarea la lucrările conferinței. Sunt mulțumit că am avut și niște discuții. Până la urmă, lucrul ăsta contează. Și concluzia care mi-am făcut-o eu, dar nu numai eu, pentru mine sunt două aspecte. Unul din ele este că noi avem încă foarte mult de lucru ca să ne atingem nivelul dorit de implementare a serviciilor. Și a doilea moment foarte plăcut este că lucrările conferinței au dat primele roade și astăzi am semnat un contract de aderare la Asociația RENAM cu Universitatea Perspectiva, o universitate din Chișinău. Mulțumesc!